So hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my new video. Guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about my research journey and what's my topic. Today so 6 to 7 days earlier I was very aggressive, no, I have to do research. And for your knowledge, I am not any PhD student or a master's student. I'm just a student of grade 11th. I'm in grade 11th now and preparing for JEE mains and advance. But with parallelly, I'm trying for MIT admission too. As everyone know who is applying to MIT or any Ivy Leagues or Stanford, right, Harvard, any colleges or schools, they know that they need some extracurriculars to get into Ivy Leagues. They don't just rely on your SAT marks or your good academics. You need to show them some of your extracurriculars, you have participated in maths olympiad, physics olympiad, astronomy olympiad, or you are a club president, like you helped someone. And if you are into technology, you did some coding projects, and if you want to do research in future, you must have the drive from now, researching from now. I also want to get into MIT, but for that I don't have any extracurricular. But yeah, I have 1 year left to apply because I'm in 11th now, and I will apply in 12th. So I have a whole 1 year to prepare for whatever it is. I thought that I won't participate in any Olympiads because I don't know why, but just don't want. I am thinking my extracurriculars to be in mainly two things. First is research, and second is coding projects. Yeah, I do coding, and I will build some projects, but I'm not sure for now what it's going to be. I'm currently focusing on my research, what research I will do. I'm really sorry if you are seeing my face that I'm not looking at camera, because I'm recording my video on this tab, so it's camera is here. To my research topic is not going to be whatever it's of any PhD student or a professor. It's just very simple, and I found out the topic, and it's the velocity wall mapping the physics barriers to interstellar soul speeds. Yeah, so I know it sounds very complex, like what the topic is, but let me explain you. This is very simple. It's just I have to list all the propulsion techniques. We know chemical rockets, fusion rockets. There are nuclear thermal propulsion, nuclear electric propulsion rockets, solar sails, and there are many antimatter propulsions. And there are many, I'm not remembering them all now. So what I will do, I will catalog all the propulsion techniques from now, and that what we're going to use in the future. Antimatter is not possible for now. It's definitely will be possible in centuries. I can't even say in decades, because we know it's a whole topic about antimatter. It's a different thing. It's a very different thing. So I will talk about antimatter rockets and why we can't build this now in another video, because it will be very long. So yeah, I will catalog all the propulsion techniques, what and it's already done, so it's going to be something different. I will calculate everyone's theoretical minimum speeds, like what is the speed of chemical rockets, and NTP, nuclear thermal propulsion, solar sails, and how they can help us, what's the possibility for pure antimatter rocket. So I will calculate everyone's speed and identify everyone's bottlenecks, and create a breakthrough in propulsion. And I will rate all the techniques, which is going to be the best for us now. Like we are using chemical propulsion now, but in next decade, what we can use. So yeah, I will do that. So it's my research topic. So in this channel, I will make video of my journey of research. So guys, stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.